I am shook by this. Of course, I have the individual products that we've been using since a month or a month and a half, well before the launch. But I have seen so many videos about this PR package that I am just so excited to open it and to see what's in here, and also use this opportunity to tell you about the Point of View product. We're going to do a skin prep routine, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when you put makeup. So if you're interested in seeing the Point of View product and what it looks like on oily skin, then keep on watching. Oh my god, this is so cool. And these are the products in the package. I am so excited to see this. I have seen so many people talk about this, like you have no idea. First we have Clip It. These are hair clips, and I'm dropping it, of course. And then the fan is called Fan It. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, this is called Bandit. Next is this travel bag. I love PR packages that come with useful products. Has two levels, has a top side and of course the bottom side. This is what the bottom part looks like. The bottom part is very big. You can put a bunch of stuff in there. It will hold it. From the TikToks that I have seen, it seems Michaela designed the top part of this travel bag to perfectly hold the Point of View products. We love a useful PR package. Now let's do the actual product. Okay, there's a little note over here. It says, I want to introduce you to my brand, Point of View. I am so excited for you to be one of the first to experience this. This project is 2 years in the making, and I cannot believe it's finally here. Point of View is designed with you in mind. As a community, we each have a unique perspective, especially with their beauty regimes. POV's mission inspires you to get creative with your canvas, get out of your comfort zone, try something new, and experiment. Beauty isn't about rules, it's about point of view. Beauty shouldn't be intimidating. I hope to inspire you to be your very own makeup artist. The best makeup look starts with skin prep. When your skin is happy and healthy, your makeup looks and feels even better. We have the 5 products that launched. If you didn't know, there's actually a little book in the Point of View PR package that has, oh, it looks like postcards. Okay, it's a little postcard booklet. Okay, first things first, the products. It comes in this classic white and black box, and I like it because it's a very clean packaging, black letters, which makes it very easy for you to read. It has all the information you could possibly need right here on the box. So you don't have to find a different way of getting information about the products. Each and every one of them come in a white box, which I absolutely like. Very easy to read, very clean. When you open the box, the product inside it is a white, clean packaging with black letterings on it that makes it also very easy for you to read. A few weeks ago, you saw me try a skin prep routine from a film and TV makeup artist who said that the best way to get the most beautiful looking makeup is to make sure that your skin prep is on point. Skin prep is not a new concept. It's something that's been around for a while, and for the people that do it, your makeup always comes out looking beautiful and flawless. What Michaela did was start her brand with skin prep. Okay, now this is how I would use it. And if you're somebody who doesn't like makeup, but you still like skincare and haven't hydrated skin, you can still use these products with the knowledge that you're not gonna put a ton of makeup on top, and that is also fine. First is to start out with Drench It. I love a good toner after my skin is cleansed, but for me personally, the toners that I have been using that I absolutely love all have some kind of actives in it. So whenever I tried this toner and it has that milky texture that a lot of K-beauty has, I was shook because I didn't know what to expect. This is a very fluid product. It literally feels and looks like water. When you apply it to your skin, it doesn't burn, it doesn't feel any kind of way. It just feels like you're adding a layer of moisture to your skin. Now once you put it on, it does dry down a little bit. I feel like it gets a little bit tacky on the skin. You can put whatever's left on your hands, and God knows I need all the moisture I could get on my hand. Drench It has fermented rice water in it, and according to the research, I have some notes on fermented rice water because I did a deep dive. It helps minimize oil productions and give your skin not a matte look, but just minimizes the shine on your skin. It helps reduce the size of enlarged pores. It helps prevent breakouts, and the biggest thing is that it helps improve your skin from sun damage. Okay, so whatever damage you have from the sun, fermented rice water will help you maintain or try to improve that look. Fermented rice water will help you improve sun damage. But this also has a bipeptide complex that helps increase collagen and elastin production in your skin to help your skin look firm and plump. This is essentially a hydrating toner to help you maintain your skin barrier so that your skin is looking gorgeous without the look of excessive oils. The thing I notice about Drench It is once you apply and it dries down, it feels slightly tacky on the skin. The second step to this routine is to use Drip It. Drip It is also another milky serum, and the way this is designed is that one dropper full is what you use for your face. I just love the color of this. It has this almost iridescent look to it, although some would say that it has like a milky white tone to it. Okay, Drip It has vitamin B and panthenol and a whole bunch of hydrating properties. This product is specifically supposed to help add moisture to your base, help reduce your texture, fine lines, and also just help plump up your skin. Of course, when your skin is plumper, it looks like your fine lines are disappearing because they absorb all the water and the cells just puff up, and that helps reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. I have oily skin, but I also like a good hydrated base because if my skin is not hydrated, I generally don't like how my makeup comes out. And I have tried it. I have tried not using moisturizer on my skin or any type of a hydrating product, and my makeup just looks so bad. I know a lot of people with oily skin like myself, we try to stay away from hydrating, glowy skin prep products, but this is really not a bad product for skin prep because look at my skin. It's looking hydrated, and although it's glowy, it's not oily. Like my skin is not oily looking right now. It's just hydrated. I don't have a strictly hydrating serum that I use. That's perfectly fine, but ever since I started using more hydration focused products, my skin has been looking a lot better. The tone looks more even and more plump. Of course, at night I do use my actives, but during the day when I'm gonna put makeup on, the hydrated base is the way that I want to go. And this looks really, really good, especially under the makeup. This is Whip It. Whip It is the moisturizer of the crew. The thing I love about this package and when I first saw it was this thing over here. Did you know this is actually something that holds a spatula that you're supposed to use to get the product out? I thought this was so cool because most products that come with spatulas just put it on top, and of course, once you take it out of the packaging, the spatula is lost and you never find it again. You've never seen me use a spatula with any product because I always lose it. But this one is secure. Once you're done with it, you just push it back, it clicks in place, and you just close the top and it's safe, perfect, and ready for your next use. Now, let's open it. Whip It is so cloud-like. It's a very fluffy product. I am a very visual person, and the first thing I notice about this moisturizer is it's oddly reflective. It's not flat, if that makes any sense. It doesn't look flat. If you have this, just try to compare it to your other moisturizers. If you open the top of it, this one doesn't have like a flat look to it. That's because I feel like it has some kind of reflective pearl property to it. It doesn't come across on camera. But the first time I opened this and I looked at it under the light, I thought, wow, this has a beautiful kind of a reflex to it. It's not oily, it's not greasy, but it's definitely something that's reflective that adds a gorgeous glow to the skin without making you look oily. Whip It has a barrier blistering tech in here, and what this does is it strengthens and repairs your skin's barrier to help it maintain its moisture and also just have that gorgeous glow that you get from having hydrated skin. It is so thick, you don't really need a lot of it. It feels very cooling. Anytime I put it on, I don't feel like my skin is drying out hours after. You know that one thing I hate is the fact that sometimes certain products just dry out my skin an hour after I've used it and I have to go back and add more moisturizer on top of it. Using these three products that I just showed you, I don't feel like that. If I don't use that hydrating toner, I notice it a few hours later. I'm like, okay, I know I skipped a step with something. So as somebody who hasn't ever added hydrating toners to my skincare routine, POV has definitely showed me that I needed to add it. Even when I was trying that hydrated skin prep routine, you saw that I had to use use water as the hydration to my skin because I didn't have any toners that was strictly for hydration. Whip It just absorbs into the skin so beautifully. Everything feels slightly tacky until it completely dries down. This is what my base is looking like with the 3 products on top of it. Absolutely glowy, absolutely stunning. This is It. It is a lip treatment with Elastin Glow Tech in here, and it has a mango flavor. Listen, I feel like I can't really smell it. Hence, I think once I said all the products don't have any fragrance in it, and that's because the mango scent is not overpowering. It's not unpleasant, and it's not like so strong that that's the first thing you notice. So to me, if you have a very sensitive nose, probably will be able to smell it. If I have fragrance on, I can't smell it. And that's how faint the scent in here is. This I like to put on before I go to bed, and also when I'm like out and about with no makeup on, I just want something on the lips, I go ahead and I use this. It helps hydrate my lips so beautifully, and it doesn't move, and it's not sticky either. The next is Glaze It. Glaze It is a makeup primer. This is the one you use right before your makeup. If you don't use any of the other products at all and you use this one, it's still going to help your makeup stay in place. It's going to give you the hydrated look, but using everything together, it just plumps up your skin so much more, and it reduces the overall texture of your makeup. The cool thing about Glaze It is you don't twist the top to open or close it. This band right here is what you twist to open it, and it locks in place, and you can pump it, or you twist to lock it and you cannot pump it. Glaze It, which is a primer, is actually the product that has AHAs in it. And if you don't know, AHAs are water soluble acids that help break up the bonds of dead skin cells to help them wash off your skin very easily. The AHAs in the primer is a bit confusing, but the crazy thing is, even though it has AHAs in it, it does not roll up on me. Like, I'm gonna keep doing this and it's not gonna roll up. You saw how much product I put on my skin. You saw how much moisturizer I put on my skin, and still it's not going to roll up on me. How many times have you seen me come on here, start doing my makeup, put a primer, and my primer is rolling? My skin looks something crazy, so I have to wipe it and start over again. My skin prep rolling up on me, cracking up on me, or causing my makeup to separate has not yet happened in the almost 2 months that I've been using the Point of View products. Glaze It, which is the primer, also has niacinamide in it, and if you didn't know, niacinamide is a product that helps you control oil production. Let's do a quick skin routine so you can see what this looks like. Okay, this is the finished look with the POV skin prep as my base. Okay, the skin is skinning. It's stunning. It's not oily. It's not greasy. It's just beautiful. Okay, very, very nice. I like what this looks like. I've never used the POV skin prep and thought, my base is too greasy, I don't like it, because it always just comes out looking phenomenal. Okay, I have done a few wear tests using this base and the primer. I will link those videos down below so you can check it out. So I'm not doing a wear test today, but let me know down below in the comments if you've tried any of the products from POV. Will you be picking up during the restock? Did you pick it up during the launch? Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.